Let's begin with a number most creators never see. A channel in the enterprise software niche generated $18,420 from a video that never crossed 2,000 views. That same month, an entertainment channel with 3.4 million views generated $9,700. If that sounds impossible, it's because you've been trained to measure the wrong variable. Views are exposure. Revenue is economics. YouTube is not a content platform. It is an advertising auction exchange layered on top of a content distribution system. That distinction changes everything. Most creators believe they are competing for attention. In reality, they are competing for advertiser bidding intensity, and bidding intensity is driven by buyer intent. YouTube does not sell videos, it sells micro segments of audience attention. Every time someone watches a video, YouTube runs a real-time auction in milliseconds. Advertisers bid on the viewer, not the content. If the viewer fits a high-value commercial profile, bidding rises. If not, bidding drops. This is why a 42-year-old business owner in Texas watching a video about tax optimization is worth dramatically more than a 17-year-old watching gaming highlights. It's not personal, it's purchasing power. YouTube's job is not to reward creators, it's to maximize advertiser yield. The algorithm optimizes for revenue per session, not view count. Let's strip this down to math. Revenue equals views divided by 1,000 times RPM. RPM varies dramatically by niche. Entertainment RPM, $2 to $4. General lifestyle RPM, $4 to $8. Finance RPM, $15 to $40. B2B enterprise RPM, $30 to $70 plus. Now let's compare scenarios. Scenario A, 2 million views. Times $3, RPM equals $6,000. Scenario B, 40,000 views times $35. RPM equals $1,400. But that's just ad revenue. Now add backend systems. Ad revenue is surface income. Real channels build revenue stacking layers, high commission affiliate tools, consulting funnels, digital courses, private communities, enterprise partnerships. If 1% of 10,000 viewers purchase a $500 product, 100 buyers times $500 equals $50,000. That's from 10,000 views. Suddenly the entire logic shifts. The right 10,000 views can outperform 2 million because intent is leverage. Viral content attracts mixed intent audiences. Mixed intent audiences lower average CPM. They dilute algorithmic advertiser confidence. They reduce monetization density. When a channel becomes known for broad appeal, advertiser bidding stabilizes lower. But when a channel becomes known for precision targeting, business strategy, investing mechanics, pricing psychology, advertiser competition intensifies. YouTube prefers predictable revenue. Predictable revenue comes from predictable buyer audiences, not viral randomness. Imagine a channel focused exclusively on enterprise SaaS comparison, CFO, budgeting models, marketing analytics tools, corporate pricing psychology. The audience size might be small, but every viewer is commercially qualified. Software companies bidding for those viewers may pay $60 to $80 CPM. Now calculate 15,000 views times $40. RPM equals $600. That sounds modest. But now layer sponsorship. Enterprise sponsor, $8,000 per integration. Ad affiliate, 5 conversions at $1,200. Commission equals $6,000. Total revenue from one small video, $14,600. Plus views didn't matter. Positioning did. Humans chase visible metrics. Likes, comments, views. Revenue is invisible, but businesses measure yield per unit, not applause per unit. When creators focus on views, they become entertainers. When creators focus on monetization density, they become operators. That difference determines long-term wealth. Here's what most people misunderstand. The algorithm optimizes for session revenue. If a viewer watches multiple high CPM videos in one session, YouTube earns more. That means YouTube prefers audiences who stay on platform, watch monetizable niches, trigger high advertiser bidding. That's why business content often gets strong recommendation patterns once authority is established. It produces stable advertiser yield. To build a high-revenue channel in the USA market, target decision makers. Focus on financially consequential topics. Avoid broad entertainment positioning. Build topic clusters around high advertiser industries. Develop back-end monetization from day one. You are not building a YouTube channel. You are building a monetized audience asset. That's a different mindset. Attention is abundant. Purchasing power is scarce. Scarcity drives bidding. Bidding drives CPM. CPM drives RPM. RPM drives revenue. And revenue builds leverage. This is why serious financial channels grow slower at first but compound harder. Because they are not optimizing for popularity. They are optimizing for economic density. The moment you stop chasing views and start engineering value per viewer, your strategy changes, your titles change, your audience targeting changes, your partnerships change, your positioning changes. You stop asking, how do I get more views? And start asking, how do I increase revenue per 1,000 viewers? That's the question operators ask. Now here's the deeper layer. If views don't matter, then what metric actually predicts long-term wealth on YouTube? It isn't subscribers, it isn't watch time, it's something almost no creator tracks. In the next breakdown, we're dissecting session value mechanics, the variable that determines whether a channel becomes a hobby or a multi-million-dollar media asset. Subscribe to Business and Money Secrets, Business Secrets Daily. Watch the next video before you sleep. It will change your life.